Hello everyone, my name is Emma Talkin, and today I am going to be answering the question of the week, which is, how can I know if something is wrong, and once I know it should be changed, what are some ways I can change it? And we should pick one or more social justice issue. Now, I thought long and hard about which social issue or issues I could do in today's assignment, and I chose equity and LGBTQ plus rights and that community, etc. Now, the reason why I chose these two is because I feel that they can go hand in hand with one another, being that equity is where one community or a multitude of communities are finding resources and opportunities that they may need to create to make sure that there are equal outcomes for every community member. Now, this could be for one specific community, example, LGBTQ plus, or it could be for a number of communities. Being that equity is such a broad term, I feel like, because that could apply to more than just the LGBTQ plus community. And then it's almost as if you're using the LGBTQ plus community as an example of equity, if that makes sense. But I feel like they're both social issues right now. So it's like equity's broad, so LGBTQ plus is specific, and it's kind of like they go hand in hand with one another. But the second part of the question is, what are some ways I can change it, or what I think should be changed, or what I think would be best? I think that everyone who is a part of the LGBTQ community should rely on one another and help each other out, because there may be people outside of that community that don't support you and that may not understand what exactly you're going through, because it's already hard enough coming out as something that may be different than the person next to you, and you're already struggling with that, and you don't need somebody else telling you what you shouldn't be and who you shouldn't love, and doing something that makes you happy, they don't want that for you. And I honestly think that it's really hard to find one concrete answer for this issue, because everyone has their own opinion, everybody has their own personality and view on this community. But I feel like honestly, people should just worry about themselves, because this member of the LGBTQ plus community is happy with their life and loves the person that they're with, or loves the people that they want to love, and you're ruining that for them. And it truly breaks my heart, because me personally, I just want everyone to be happy with their life. And if that means that they love somebody else that may not be who God told them to love, then so be it. I mean, you can still believe in God and not follow every single rule, or basically every rule that he's given. I mean, as long as you're happy and living your life, who's complaining? Who can complain? But I think what tactics could be applied to helping spread awareness to people hating on the LGBTQ plus community, as well as excluding others because they may be a part of this community. I feel that, as I had said before, the LGBTQ members should be united as one, but also they should still support others that may not be in the community and spread awareness to others outside of the community, so that they understand what you guys are trying to achieve here. And that's just peace and happiness. And I want you to be happy, so let me be happy. And I feel like clubs at school, college, the workplace, maybe seminars speaking about this issue could really help, because I feel like this problem should start small in a small place and then eventually grow. Because if you impact just one person, they're gonna pass that on to somebody else and then somebody else, almost like word of mouth. So I feel like that could be a really good technique for helping with this issue. And I really hope that in the near future that we don't have to worry about the LGBTQ plus community being in danger, because they have every single right to be happy and live their life to the fullest just like anybody else.